talking about lung sounds, I'm going to hear absent or diminished lung sounds, depending how bad it is, on one side. So if the bullet enters on this side, this will be the side I hear absent or diminished lung sounds. Obviously, absent being much worse. But this is going to be big, these signs and symptoms, for your test question. Now down here, EMT level, we're going to give oxygen, we're going to ventilate as needed with the respirations. And ALS, we're going to do needle decompression. That's the thing I showed you earlier. Let's talk about that. What we have in a pneumothorax is we have all this pressure being built up and collapsing the lung. We got to let that air escape. The way we do that is by placing a needle into what we call the pleural space. That's the space around the lung that's collapsing it. So we take the top off here. You can see here, I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So here's our needle here. And I'm going to put a video right here. You can see the actual procedure of it. And I'm going to put another little graph right here showing you the exact spot, the exact location where you want to place this needle.